everyone. It's an honor for me to introduce you all to our group, Srishti We Care. We are a group of friends from across India, pursuing varied professions like teaching, entrepreneurship, music composers, corporate jobs, engineers, media persons, and many more. But with one common passion, that is to do something constructive for the world. We are really blessed to belong to this earth, and we have been receiving many blessings throughout our lives. And I think it is now time for us to pass on some of the blessings for the future generations. And with this goal, we have formed this special group, and I'm sure with your love and support, we are going to reach many more goals in future. We are passionate about bringing a change and have been doing our bits on an individual level for quite some time. And I'm sure our joint efforts now will bring much more better results and better changes in the society, which we are passionate about. We'd like very much to have your love and support in this regard, and your help and suggestions will always be welcome in this endeavor. Let me share some of our visions and goals. Rural development and women empowerment has been one of our foremost activities, in which our founder secretary Nandita Chakravarti, already a renowned name, has been doing a lot since many years. Reaching out to deprived children, counseling them, educating them, and making them fit for a better world is also on our agenda. Reaching out to people who are fighting depression, loneliness, and supporting them with various kinds of techniques and through yoga and other ways to help them overcome these kind of situations. Reaching out to children, reaching out to women, training them, organizing online workshops or physical workshops, since we are going through a COVID-19 situation. Organizing meets, awareness camps are all in our future agenda, and also has been one of our ways of doing the works, various works. We are collaborating, and we are still planning to do with many other bodies or NGOs to reach out to more and more people in doing these kind of works. Let me give you a glimpse of what we have been doing in all these years, and take you on a short journey of through our achievements in these recent years. And with all your support and suggestions, we plan to do a lot more in future. Thank you.